Hey YouTube, this is your girl Shantae again. I'm coming at you. I had saw a hairstyle that I want to try on YouTube, but I can't think of her name for nothing in the world. But anyway, she had a hairstyle, but her hair was a little bit longer than mine. But she had it like sectioned off in the front, and she had one twist on this side to the back and one twist on this side. Now my dilemma is, since my hair is shorter than hers, I won't be able to achieve the exact same hairstyle, but something a little bit similar. So I'm going to try to achieve this without error, but I'm quite sure I will be starting over a couple of times. So let's get started. Let's get it. Now I'm going to put a clip here, but I've sectioned my hair off in 4 parts rather than the 3. Maybe I can get the one down the middle, the one on this side, and the one in the front. So, me and my little duck clips, and I'm going to try to get a little bit closer so you guys can see it. The only thing I have in my hair right now is water and Cantu Shea Butter. If you guys can see it, it might be backwards, but this is what I use. And I think I'm gonna use, she did use some Eco Styler gel, I think. I don't know what kind of gel, because people use so many different kinds of things. But I'm gonna try to use this because she put it on the edges of each section, and hopefully this will work for me. I'm gonna try to make it work and then tie it down, and maybe it turn out kind of cute. I don't know, but we'll see. Just a little gel on the edges, and that's probably why I couldn't do it the first time. Okay. Now just a flat twist to the side. I'm not good at twisting, so bear with me. Okay. 1 down, 3 more to go. Okay. Try to make that stay. Then I'll try to work with this one. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I just made another part on this side, so I'll try to put gel, kind of bring it a little closer so it won't have a hard time reaching back, trying to twist it. And the weirdest thing is, I just figured out that I have like 3 different textures of hair in my head since I've been natural. Now that's crazy, because usually it's just one texture. Now I don't know if it's because I'm getting older or what the situation may be, but I know one thing, it's weird. Okay, I'll try to do another twist, flat twist just down. As you see, this is pretty hard for me. I'm trying to see it and do it in the back. Okay. Hope you can see this. Okay. Now I'm going to go for the one in the middle. Just put, okay, that ain't gonna work. Put gel on the edges of it, of each part. Kind of comb it together. Okay. Okay. My arms are really tired. Okay, here we go. Oh my God. Okay. Twist this one down. Okay. Okay. And one more. One more side. One more side. One more side.